Good morning students, welcome to today's session. I hope every one of you understood what all we have seen so far in the last video, and I hope every one of you completed your exercises and everything. And in today's session we are going to see the second part of the lesson. That is, so far in the last video we have seen how can we solve a linear pair of linear equation using algebraic method. So one of the another method also available, you already know that is graphical method. So how can we solve a pair of linear equation using graphical method? In today's session we are going to see that kind of sums only. So before going to today's session, let us recall the basic definitions of everything. So now we are saying a pair of linear equation two variables. That is the topic of this lesson. And the general form of a pair of linear equation is this one only. And here all the coefficients are real numbers. And for solving a pair of linear equation, two methods are available. One is algebraic method and another one graphical method. We already know that. And we are saying graphical method only. Sorry, algebraic method. So we have seen up to the last video how to solve the pair of linear equation, whatever it is, that is a direct structure of a linear equation or application of it or some whatever it is. How can we solve means using algebraic method. And today we are going to see graphical method and algebraic method. This much of these three methods are available, and we know that to solve a pair of linear equation. And also how can we check whether a pair of given linear equation, what type of solution by using these three ratios. So already we know up to this concept. And in today's class we are going to see how to solve a pair of linear equation using graphical method or through the graphical method, right? So here look at this. So here also we can classify a pair of linear equation according to the solution. So here graphical representation. Here graphical representation is nothing but it's a visualization. Okay. So from the graph we can say the given pair of linear equation having what type of solution. The three solution only available, that is unique solution, infinitely many solution and no solution. But through the graphical representation, how can we solve? Actually up to that algebraic method we have seen through the ratio, that is this ratio, that is the ratios are not equal means it has exactly one solution, and the ratios all are equal means infinitely many solutions, and the first two equal and the last one not equal means no solution. So that and all we have seen under algebraic method. But through the graphical method, so these three cases is important, right? You are going to draw a graph of two linear equations, that is a pair of linear equation in the same graph set. If the two lines, already you know that the structure of the pair of linear, that is linear equation, is nothing but a straight line. So the lines are intersecting together means it has unique solution, and they are coincident, that is one is merging on the another means it has infinite value solution, and they are parallel lines means no solution. So first you have to plot the respective points of the two given linear equation in the graph sheet, and we have to draw the line through the points. Then after that we have to check whether they are intersecting or coincident or parallel. So likewise we have to check. So definitely the structure of the graph will satisfy any one of the three. So according to that we can say what type of solution the given pair of linear equation having, right? So if you compare the first column and the last column means it is under algebraic method, and this second column and third column means it is under graphical method. That's all. Okay. So look at the example. So solve graphically. X minus 2y equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. So we are going to draw the graph of these two linear equations in the same graph. Okay. So already you have learned in your 9th standard. So how can we draw the graph for the single linear equation with the two variables? Okay. Similarly here also you are going to do the same thing. That is, now I am going to find out minimum two solution of the first graph, and minimum 2 solution of the second graph also, and I'm going to plot it on the graph sheet, and then I'm going to draw the line through the points. Okay, so what about the first equation now? So x minus 2y equal to 0. Now I'm going to find the solution here. Okay, so for the first equation, if x equal to 0 means what will happen? If x equal to 0, so this equation, okay, for this equation only I am going to substitute. So x equal to 0 means 0 minus 2y equal to 0, right? So 0 minus 2y equal to 0. That is y equal to 0 divided by minus 2. So y equal to 0 by any other number is equal to 0, right? So the first point is nothing but 0 comma 0, right? And similarly I'm going to find one more point for the same line, that is for the same equation. Now I'm going to put y equal to 0, that is y equal to, if you put 0 means again you will get 0 comma 0, same point only, right? Now I'm going to put x equal to 2. Okay, so what will happen? So if you put x equal to 2 means 2 minus 2y equal to 0. So minus 2y, so transpose this 2 to the right hand side, so it will become 0 minus 2. Therefore y equal to, so 0 minus 2 is nothing but minus 2, right? So here minus 2 into y. Therefore what about y now? So y equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2. So this minus 2 get cancelled, so equal to 1. So the value of x is 2, the value of y is nothing but 1. So 2 comma 1. So these are the two solutions of the first line, that is first equation, x minus 2y equal to 0, right? And I'm going to find out two more solutions for the second equation here. Okay, so for this one now, so again I'm going to put x equal to 0. What will happen here in the second equation? If you put x equal to 0 means 3 into 0, so 3 into 0 plus 4y equal to, if you bring the 20 to the right hand segment, it will become plus 20. So 3 into 0, 0, and 4y equal to 20. Therefore y equal to what? So y equal to 20 by 4, 5. So 5 4s are 20. Therefore what about the respective point of this second equation? So 0 comma 5. So 0 comma 5. And what about for second one? So I am going to put x equal to 2. Okay, so 2, or okay, I put 4 here. Alright, if you put 4 means, so 3 into 4 minus, plus 4y, so minus 20 equal to 0. So 3 4s are 12 plus 4y equal to 20. I transposed this 20 to the right hand side. So 4y equal to, so 20, and if you transpose 12 to the right hand side, it will become minus 12. Therefore 4y equal to, so 20 minus 12 equal to 8. Therefore y equal to, which implies, so y equal to 2 4s are 8. So 2. So what about the respective point now here? So x value is 4 and y value is 2. So 4 comma 2 is the respective point. Suppose instead of 4, if I put here 6 means, that is 2 means what will happen? So here 3 2s are 6 will come, and 6 minus 20, so minus 14 will come. So it is not possible to divide by the number 4. So according to that you can choose a number, then only you will get integer solution. Otherwise you will get fraction solution or decimal solution. Okay, so if you put, suppose if you want to put for x any number, just to choose the value of y will be an integer. According to that, you can choose the number, right? Now I am going to plot these points. Okay, for the first one, 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 1. So this is a graph. So 0 comma 0 means it will come here. So 0, 0. So next one 2, 1. Okay, this one 2, 1. So x value 2 is here and y value 1 is here. So 2, 1. So 2, 1. So now draw the line through these 2 points. This is the line of the first one. And what about the second one? So 0, 5 is the first point and 4, 2 is the second point. So zeros here. So 0, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is here. So this one 0, 5. And the next point 4, 2. So x value 4 is here and 2 is here. So 4, 2. So this one 4, 2. So next connect these 2 points by a straight line. So it will going exactly through this one. Okay, I am drawing through the mouse. So that's why it's going like this. And so I think it will intersect exactly here. Okay, and this will both are intersecting lines. So the both are intersecting lines means what will happen? So how many solutions it has? So though they are intersecting means exactly one solution, that is unique solution. So what type of solution this is a given equation having means unique solution. So how can we find out this point means? So just to draw exactly through the scale. So definitely it will intersect any one of the intersection of x-axis or y-axis here. Okay. For example, if intersect here means, so this x value, y value is 4, 2. So like this. So you should write the intersection point here. That is very, very important. So from the graph, so find out the intersection point. That intersection point is nothing but solution of this graph. Okay. So, and after find out the intersection point from the graph and substitute instead of x value and instead of y value in any one of the equation and check whether it is balanced or not. If it is balanced, means the solution is right. Otherwise, the solution is wrong. Okay. So once again repeat here. So I found first minimum 2 solutions for the first equation and another 2 solutions for the second equation, and I plotted on the graph and I drew the lines through the points and they are intersecting here. Therefore, how many solutions the given equation having? Exactly only one solution, that is unique solution. And how can you find that solution? So from the graph only. If you draw exact with the exact measurement and with the scale means it will intersect exactly at any one of the intersection point. Okay, so that write the particular intersection point from the graph. Okay, suppose if it intersect here means, for example, I am saying exactly here means, so x value is 3 and y value is 2. So 3, 2 is the solution. So likewise, understand, that is very important. After drawing the 2 lines, they will intersect definitely, and find out the intersection point. That intersection point is the solution of the given equation. Okay, and similarly here the second one. So here also just to find out any 2 solutions. Okay, and find out the 2 solutions the another one also, and then plot it in the graph. Okay, then after plotting the point, just draw the line through that, right, and then find out the solution here. Okay, so we are going to see this solution in the next video. So let us see in the next video this slide.